To remove the command, first remove the air vent, then uncover the gear shift lever. With display folded up, remove the stop buffer. Slide the extraction hook into openings. Turn until the tip is pointed downward. This makes it easy to pull the air vent out of the instrument panel. Unplug the electrical connections. Pull the air vent completely out. And now for the command unit. Remove the 2 Torx screws. Slide the locks up as far as they go. Pull the command unit out far enough to get to the connectors. Note, when pulling out the command unit, note the 2 guide tabs on the left and right. To remove the lower command control panel, remove the 4 Torx screws. Now we just have to take out the display. Remove the 2 screws and gently pull the unit out of the dashboard. Note, proceed with caution. Several cables are routed behind the dashboard. The LVDS cable is extremely fragile. It is located on the right side and held in place by 2 clamps. The LVDS cable carries the digital video signals. Did you unplug all the connectors? What about the power supply for the complete display unit and the LVDS plug? The display is now properly removed. The installation is in the reverse order.